Negasngi dawai yaki sotali ki kre haga yalang wadaman hanamdong West Giant Hills. Hiwa umontri rangba ka jala u Conrad sangma daman ukam ukongsan. Hei emlang umontri ka chnat penroy sor usnyaw bahalang dhar. U MLA ka juwai uwailat mikishilla wa kiwi. Weda palait le yaki artali ki ambulans wada irap da usnyaw bahalang. Chaka KSU namdong area unit. Wa chaka FKJ GP nartiang area. Hadin gini gaya lang hawa ya kalam wa Wyrta ne liang u Conrad de Sñiawskem wo le bahag NPP hapo rilum jaintia hagni ke election MLA arhajar arpaule de ongule wa MEA ikor we em ki benta ki wa hap wo kre ya ki benta wa angnut we Sñiawskem ki paidbah we ka sarkar dawle ko ye wa em kam hajrong ini cucu da ongu bagi paidbah agrilum jaintia wa kejela diyo ki yaki kam wadale ka sarkar we nga skemu bagi paidbah do jied biang yak NPP.
We expect that we will do exceptionally well out here. We have challenges and challenges will always be there. There are a lot of areas which we still need to work on in terms of certain concerns that are there of the people. But let me assure you we are working on all of those concerns. But as a whole, I think people of Gied Hills as well as the whole state have seen the kind of work that we have put in. I'm confident that the people of Gied Hills and the state will repose their fate on the NPP.